Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Crochet Shop by Nano. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to make money with easy crochet patterns, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell so you don't miss anything. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to crochet vintage bookmark. First, you will need your selected yarn. I will use Neko Satin Turkish yarn. Suitable crochet hook, I will use 3mm crochet hook. Scissors and yarn needle. First, make a slip knot, then chain multiples of 4 plus 2. For this yarn size, I will make 34 chains. Skip 5 chains from the hook, then 1 double in the next chain stitch. Chain 2, then make 1 double crochet stitch in the same stitch. Repeat this twice. Check your numbers. You have 3 double crochet stitches. Now start to skip 3 chains. 1 shell stitch in the next stitch by making 1 double crochet, chain 2, another 1 double crochet, all in the same stitch. Repeat this. Skip 3 chains, then in the next make 1 shell stitch. Repeat this to finish these chains. Then, after you finished the last shell stitch in the last chain, rotate your work. Now chain 2, then 1 double crochet in the same stitch. Repeat this 4 times. Then check your numbers. Now you have 6 double crochet stitches and 5 chain spaces. Now start to work shell stitch in each shell stitch. Repeat like this. Now start to make 1 double crochet stitch, then chain 2 twice in the corner stitch. Then join with a slip stitch in the last chain space. Now you finished the first round. To make the round number 2, after you check your numbers, 6 double crochet stitches. Now chain 5, then make 2 double crochet stitches in the next chain 2 space. Then 1 front post double crochet stitch in the next double crochet stitch. Now start to repeat the double shell stitch by making 2 double crochet stitches, chain 2, another 2 double crochet stitches, then 1 front post double crochet in the next double crochet stitch to make the double shell in each shell stitch. Now start to repeat the double shell stitch in each next shell stitch. 2 double crochet stitches, chain 2, another 2 double crochet stitches, then 1 front post double crochet in the next double crochet stitch. Make the corner shells. After you finished all chain 2 spaces with double shells, in the last make 1 double crochet stitch in the last corner space. Now join with a slip stitch in the first chain space, then chain 1, pull through long to make fringe or tassel like this from the back. Pull the yarn. Repeat this for 7 times. Complete the tassel like this. Cut the yarn and finish the tassel. fast enough and wave in ease. Now your bookmark is ready. Thank you for watching. If you like it, gives me big thumbs up to see more. See you. Bye bye.